Hi everyone, welcome back. How are you? How's your family? So today we have, it's a little bit exciting for me because I don't do subscription box for like 5 years now. I follow a Portuguese YouTuber. She's called Rita Pires. She's really good and she's a makeup artist as well, and she loves the box that I'm going to show you, and you probably saw it on a title as well. But the whole point is that I started on subscription box now, and I'm really excited about it. Yay! So today, you probably already know, is beauty box from Look Fantastic, and the theme apparently is green. It's a lot of cruelty-free stuff. It comes like that. Okay, so for those of you who have never seen a box, a subscription box, or I don't know, it's just never had one or anything. So it comes like that. It shows everything that we're gonna have in the box straight away. So the first one that's a full size is the Wipe Out eco-friendly cleansing cloth. Removes makeup with just water from Magzz London. This costs £10. It's so soft. So it's qualified as a full size. I have another one of these for like a random brand that I got ages ago, and these are really useful, and it explains everything in the back. So it's double-sided, so you can use both sides, and there's no residue or smear proof, so it's not going to transfer for you, and no more wipes. So this is a really good option for stop using wipes. Is basically my goal. So I bought a bunch of cotton pads. Most of them are bamboo pads, and they look exactly like a cotton pad, but they are reusable. You can wash them as many times as you want, and obviously some of them get stained and all, but at least it's just, have you ever thought about the amount of paper, the amount of stuff that goes into the ocean, like wipes, cotton pads, stuff that you don't actually use any more than once? If you can do something to help, why not? It's just a little thing, and if you think about it, instead of spending like 90p for a big pack of Primark, or 50p, or even £2 or anything, this costs you, maximum I've seen is about £12. I got mine for like £6 something. After a while, you get your money back, and it's like if you had it for free if you add it up. So think about it. Right, next product, really small tint balm. It's from Dr. Lip. I've seen things like this, but I never really tried it. It's worth £3, and it's in the shade Sweet Potato. You know what? I'm gonna take off my makeup. I'm actually gonna use that lip tint. So these are the cotton pads that we're talking about, and I'm gonna use the little lip balm. This is really small. It's like a travel size or even a mini. It feels very moisturizing, although it feels like it's on top of my lips, not actually moisturizing it in depth. But they are suggesting it in the magazine that comes with, to use it on your lids to do glossy effect that's on trend right now, and then also to apply on your cheeks to have like a highlight kind of thing. So that's £3 for this super small thing. Next is the full-size Ico London. Is a brow gel, which I guess I'm gonna use it as well, and it's worth £10. It looks like it has a little very small tint. Yeah, it definitely has a tint, because it looks like it made my brows a little bit fluffier and kind of glossy. Maybe it will dry down, but it definitely is fluffier. I'm excited for that. Oh yeah, so this is so exciting. I never had anything from this brand, but this is worth £100. Like, what the hell? So this is Avant. And it is 50 mils, and it's worth £100. It is a moisturizer, HD5 plus, so I'm guessing. So let me read it for you. It is a ultimate hyaluronic acid resurfacing duo moisturizer. It formulated with hyaluronic acid, shea butter and sweet almond oils to tighten and firm for a more youthful complexion. So it can use morning and evening, and it's meant to be a pea size, so I'm guessing £100 going to last you a long time on dry skin. So as I've been researching, hyaluronic acid is meant to be kind of exfoliating. I've been using it a lot on The Ordinary, but I'm so excited for this. I never had anything like this luxurious in a normal plastic bottle. I'll never say this costs £100. I hope it makes something like, I hope it makes me look £1 million worth it, because I'll never pay that price, but I'm excited for that. Next one is, I would say this is like a travel size kind of thing. This is a mask, and it is from Koches Hydrobiome Probiotic Superdose Face Mask, and it is worth $9.40. It is meant to be with real Greek yogurt, made in Greece. It's a microbiome friendly technology, anti-pollution, tested with real Greek yogurt. So it has a bunch of Greek stuff in here that I can't read. It's suitable for all types, skin types, but essentially great for sensitive skin. This Koches face mask soothes, hydrates and cools for the ultimate pampering and nourishing gel. I'm excited for that. I have been looking for the perfect hydrating mask, because I have all types of masks like pink clay, whatever clay. It's all for exfoliating and cleaning my pores and tightening my pores, but I never ever thought about having an hydrating mask because I'm oily skin or combination to oily. But as I mentioned on a few videos behind, I don't know what my skin is anymore, because it feels like I'm a dry skin person now, or combination to dry skin. It's just a strange situation. So while I'm figuring out what the hell I am, this is good, and I need a hydrating mask. If you know anything good, let me know, because I need a hydrating. And lastly, well, I guess this month is all about like skincare and like pampering yourself. This is a 99.9% natural hyaluronic plumping mist. It's from Balm, and it's 10 ml, and it's worth £10 for this mini thing. And it's vegan, and it is made in UK. So yeah, okay, it's vegan. Everything is vegan in this one, I think, in this box. I'm excited for this. This is award-winning skin quenching, brightening and incredibly hydrating. This Balance Me facial mist instantly rejuvenates dry skin. Ooh. Okay. Designed to replace a toner in your skincare routines, fix makeup in places and refresh your face through the day. Okay, I'm gonna have that. This looks like this Men in Black thing they do, like, and everyone forgets what happened. So I kind of like the tube. It smells like pharmacy, and my skin is glowing. Let's hope it works. I'll keep you updated probably on my next box, like next month or something. I'm gonna think about it, but so far I'm excited. This was my first box in 5 years, which is a long time. I used to have glossy box, but now I have look fantastic, and I subscribed to another one, and I'm still waiting for it. But I'm excited. This is kind of like a fun way to bring Christmas to you every month. Like Okay, so from what I understand from this box, it costs like £13 at least if you subscribe for a year. I just had a total of £142.40 something. So it is a lot of money for £13. And I guess it's fun if you like to try new things. It doesn't cost much. Like, if you think about it, the amount of stuff that you buy per month or every other month to give it a go, try it, see how your skin reacts, see how you like it. Sometimes you invest more and you don't really like the stuff. So if you don't like any of these, you can't be mad about it. You just won £140 for £13. It's no brainer. And this is it, guys. I hope you liked it. Let me know which subscription box you have, if it's worth it, if it isn't. I am fully excited for these. I think it's such a cool way to like bring a little joy to you every month. Like, how exciting it is. Let me know which ones you have and why you love them. And subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to keep watching my channel and my videos. And I'll see you next video. Bye.